PREF is a leading professional manufacturer and global supplier of sheet metal processing machinery, specializing in a wide range of hydraulic bending machines, hydraulic plate shears, and fiber laser cutting machines. Over the past few years, PREF has developed into a leading exporter of sheet metal machinery to the world market with customers in all machine tool consuming countries. PREF is currently represented in more than 70 countries and territories worldwide through designated distributors. Here, with its long and strong engineering experience, PREF wants to present itself as a profession. Our company has established a perfect marketing service system. Our main products include RAS Bulletin Shears QC12Y, QC12K series of hydraulic CNC shearing machine. This series of electro-hydraulic servo CNC shearing machine, WC67Y, WC67K series of hydraulic CNC bending machine, electro-hydraulic servo CNC bending machine, punching machine, bending machine, single-column hydraulic machine, for hydraulic machine. Our products are widely used in decoration, metallurgy, ship, automobile, machinery, steel structure, and other specialized areas of production. With exquisite design, reasonable price, excellent quality, efficient after-sales service, and technical support by domestic and foreign customers, our products sell well in domestic more than 20 provinces and are exported to Europe, America, South America, Africa, Southeast Asia, and the Middle East. We hold 100% customers' satisfaction as our goal, providing timely and efficient after-sales services to our customers.